Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question if we can test the cable resistance of a USB-C to C cable with the FNIRSI, the FNB58. There's no specific function for that, but obviously we can do this with a little bit of a workaround. As you can see, I'm not showing you the whole video because I've done already a full video about that, so I'm not going to do same video again. I just wanted to show if it's possible to do that with a little bit of a trick, and here you can see we can definitely do that. That's the resistance of this USB-C to USB-C cable, and what I've been using is this USB-A to USB-C adapter, very simple, $5 or $6 piece. And by the way, that was not my idea. I got the idea from a viewer on my channel. So definitely appreciate this awesome input. Great idea. That was awesome. I think a lot of people think it's not possible to test USB-C to C, but it's definitely possible. And again, if you want to see the full video how to do that, because apart from the adapter, it's exactly the same thing as testing USB-A to USB-C. If you are interested in the full video, you'll see that link up here somewhere in the video suggestions at the end of this video. So you can just click on it and watch the whole video how to measure the cable resistance with this device. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.